Welcome back. Today is a continuation of my pallet for HQ 800. I need to do the finishing touches, milling the outside edges square, and to deck the top, and then to drill the hole patterns and to tap the holes. Now I'm planning on using my 2-in-1 bit that will drill and tap all in one go. But I need to work out my pattern so that it misses my post. So this is all makeup as I go type of process. Okay, this table is a little bit dished in the middle. So what I'm going to do is on this edge here, is my lowest spot on this side. So I'm going to bring the end mill down just to touch it, and then I'm going to clean up the whole surface with the end mill, and then follow it up with a fly cutter. Now here's where my gate was cut off here, and there's still a little bit of remnants of it. So I'm going to start with that, get it out and do the outside edges. Okay, the surface is flat enough so that I can continue with the fly cutter. I do see that I have a little bit of a void in the center here where the gate was. You win some, you lose some. I'm not going to worry too much about it. Having a fly cutter with a 6-inch width of cut does have its advantages, because I can take this whole plate in one pass. Fly cutter left me with a decent finish, and I've deburred the edge on top. Still need to deburr the bottom once I've taken the top of the table off, and I need to deburr the holes. I've got two little voids here that I'm not going to cut it any deeper than that, because I want to keep my rigidity here. So what I'm going to do is tape up the top with masking tape so that I can mark out my rib pattern of the table, and the posts, so that I have a clear picture of the areas I'm supposed to avoid, and then work out a drill or a hole pattern for my studs. I've got my coordinates written down. I've made a rough sketch on the masking tape. I've got the positions, made sure that I'm not going to drill into my posts, and I'm not going to drill into my support beams. So yeah, now it's a lot of drilling and tapping. I'm using one of these drill and tap combos. Now what I do is I just finger tighten it in a chuck, so that if I can't match the speed of the tap with the quill, then it will pull out or push it back up again on a reverse. And I'm running it at my lowest speed setting of 125 RPM. I've missed all the ribs here. That's an important part. The milling pallet is finished. Now this will sort out my issue that I have with quill height and extension. Now if you've got tall drills, it doesn't fit in a vise. If you've got short drills, it doesn't reach. So now with this table, my idea is to eliminate those problems by having the different sets of legs for it, or pillars. That will, depending on how tall you're going to make it, will either raise it or drop it. And then as you can see from the milling operations, this thing is sturdy. It's not going anywhere. It's not moving. The whole machine is vibrating, but this table is rock solid. So for me personally, I'm happy with it. I think it will serve me well. It's giving me almost double the area that I can use than what my vise can clamp. So yeah, it opens up new possibilities for me. And then I've got these features here on the side ends here. Now that is there to either use a toolmaker's clamp to clamp something down, or to make extensions if I need to extend the table for a job that is a little bit longer than I need. But that will usually be in the back end here, because my table is almost all the way up to the front of the machine, and my spindle is about right in this corner here. So yeah, that's one thing of this machine is the limited travel, but other than that, it works pretty fine for a home shop. Till next time, I hope you enjoyed it. Cheers.